What is a pronoun? A pronoun is used in the place of a noun. It substitutes the noun in a paragraph or piece of writing to avoid repetition of the noun. Types of pronouns with example-less pronouns can be classified into different types based on their functions. Given below are the various types of pronouns. Go through the examples carefully to have a clear understanding of each type of pronoun and its function. Relative pronouns are pronouns that are used to relate one part of the sentence to another. Some examples of relative pronouns are that, which, where, when, why, what, whom and whose. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that are used to show possession. Some examples of possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, theirs and its. Reflexive pronouns are pronouns that are used to refer back to the subject in the sentence. Some examples of reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, herself, himself, oneself, itself, ourselves, themselves and yourselves. Demonstrative pronouns are pronouns that are used to point to specific objects. Some examples of demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these and those. Interrogative pronouns are pronouns that are used to ask questions. Some examples of interrogative pronouns are who, what, when, why and where. Indefinite pronouns are pronouns that do not refer to any particular person, place or thing. Some examples of indefinite pronouns are someone, somebody, somewhere, something, anyone, anybody, anywhere, anything, no one, nobody, nowhere, everyone, everybody, everywhere, everything, each. Personal pronouns are simple pronouns that are used to substitute proper names. Some examples of personal pronouns are I, you, he, she, we, they, him, her, he, she, us and them. Subject pronouns are pronouns that perform the action in a sentence. Some examples of subject pronouns are I, you, we, he, she, it, they and one. Object pronouns are pronouns that receive the action in a sentence. Some examples of object pronouns are me, us, him, her and them. Reciprocal pronouns are pronouns that are used to express a mutual relationship. Some examples of reciprocal pronouns are each other and one another. Intensive pronouns are the same as reflexive pronouns, with the only difference being that you can remove the intensive pronoun from the sentence, and the sentence would still make sense. Test your understanding of pronouns. Identify the pronouns and the type of pronoun in the following sentences. I am going home today evening. Her aunt will be vacating next week. She is the girl I was talking to you about. This is the place where I found my missing bag. Did you do it yourself? It was a time when I was so happy. We always help each other out. Has everyone completed the work that was assigned for today? That dog down the street is his. All my friends are coming home for my parents' 25th wedding anniversary celebration. Now, let us check how far you have got it right. I'm going home today evening. Personal pronoun / subject pronoun or alt will be vacating next week. Possessive pronoun is the girl I was talking to you about. Personal pronoun piece is the place where I found my missing bag. Relative pronoun did you do it yourself? Personal pronoun, intensive pronoun it was a time when I was so happy. Relative pronoun way always help each other out. Reciprocal pronoun has everyone completed the work that was assigned for today? Indefinite pronoun cat dog down the street is his. Possessive pronoun all my friends are coming home for my parents' 25th wedding anniversary celebration.